Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I am going to open the Studio Calico documentary kit for February 2023. Yes, that's the year we're at, in case I was confused about it. And to be honest, I have issues saying the word February because I feel like nobody or not many people say the first R. It's just a weird word to say for me because English is not my first language. And I saw a sneak of this kit and I'm in love, so I can't wait to like do a little refresher. I already see a few things that are so cute. I'm a fan of the pouches. I hope they never discontinue the pouches. I do like the old ones. I have a bunch of those too, but I just feel like I never hype the pouch too much. And here you can put like pictures that match the kit, or you can use it to do like a little journaling kit and take it places. Let me see, let's go with the stamp set, which is really cute. It's designed by Golden Wood Company, and I love that I can use like many colors with this. And I'm always a fan of the emoji and the little words, and I love that I can use this around photos and stuff like that. Very cute, simple, but useful. Love it. And let's see. Ooh, oh, there's 4 sheets. Guys, look, they did it. It's so beautiful. I love it. I wish we had 2 sheets, but it has numbers, and you know, we're getting there. Beggars can be choosers. So I'll take the 1 sheet with the numbers, but at least it has 3 E's. So I'm cool with that. This is really cute. Now I think there are 2 of these. Yes, because in the back you can see the second one. Love these. And again, you can like stamp with the little circle, I believe. And these ledger circle. I don't know why I love these circle labels so much. I'm just label obsessed. And this one is just 1. So maybe the fact, because they tend to have like a number of items and things throughout the year, and usually when they start the year with January, last year it was like the wood veneer words that said January and March and all that, and this year apparently it's going to be this sheet, and I don't hate it. I actually think it's pretty cool. I love it. It's in different kind of things, and then I'm not, let me talk like a normal person. It has different fonts and ways to write sorry, February, and then you have a few blank ones. This is really cute. You see, to me this is more Happy Mail theme than the one from last month. I don't know why, but yeah, it's only 1 sheet, but I understand this is gonna be our monthly marker item. And then we have these beautiful chipboard items, really cute. Again, I always love a little emoji, and it's about making also, because I see scissors, I see pencils, and in the stamp set we got scissors too. And let's see, it says make something, creative soul. So that's pretty cool. It's kind of hippie like 70s, late 60s, early 70s flower power ish, but not too strong. I love this. Love the little tabs, and it can give you an idea of how to stamp this a little bit more creatively. Really cute. You can also stamp on these. Love, love, love these so far. Loving the kit. However, I would have picked like these letters in the Traveler's Notebook kit are like a peachy, like this color, maybe a little lighter like this one. And I feel like that would have gone better with this kit. I was tempted to add it to my cart, to my box, since you know technically the shipping for any item you add, it's only $1, but I have been trying to like not add things to it, which is really hard because I think that so far this year, they're 2 for 2. I'm loving what I'm seeing. And then we have these acetate hearts. They're so cute. They're kind of Allie Edwards looking, sort of, but not really. They've been adding little elements like these for years. Really, really cute. And they're just jumping off my hand. I get it. You don't like me. And we get different patterns and kind of like 2 shapes. Love this size, very beautiful. Love the patterns. This is really cute. Okay, and now let's do the numbers. Oh my god, have I told you that I am super happy that they are adding numbers to this kit? How many items we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 with the cards. Do we always get that many, or maybe I'm confused? The back is white, but that's cool. You can like staple them. Polka dot for number 2. That grid for number 3. Little waves for number 4. Number 5 is half and half. Polka dots for 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. And these colors and a few of these elements are, oh my god, what is the name of that lady who did a line for Simple Stories? That's not, it's that retro line for Simple Stories, the creative girl, the retro girl. I have a few items from that. I'm gonna grab some items to see if I can show you. Let me open also this. Okay, and here are the cards. So cute. Okay, the name of the lady was the Reset Girl. And I don't know if you remember, she started with a digital collection, and then Simple Stories hired her to do a line, and I just pulled out a few pieces from it to show it to you. I love these cards, honestly. I don't care much about this lava mess, but this is cute. So far all of them are cute. Oh, I like that too. Could use it for week 2, and then here I can stamp the dates. Oh, that's cute too. Live your best life. So cute. Play in this moment. So great on repeat. Oh, I have 2 of these. Oh, that's cute. Living for the weekend. Buying fresh fruit. Browsing vintage shops. Coffee dates. Riding my bike. Strolls through the park. Documenting adventures. Blasting good music. And just relaxing. I don't know if it's a glitch that I have to, but I don't mind because it's so cute. And the more cards I see, the more I'm like, this is the Reset Girl, which I don't hate. Man, that CSHA release was like a snooze fest. More of the same old, same old. Yeah, we get it. Maggie Holmes did another line. It looks exactly like all the rest. Beautiful, but it's the same. I really wish Damask Love had a new line. I always love her stuff. So cute. So you see, it has that hippie color vibe with the browns and that's super hippie. You see? It's like early 70s. Which, by the way, if you read Daisy Jones and the Six, which is like a behind the music sort of book that takes place in the 70s, they're gonna do goodness, what do you call it? A series. That's an easy word. A series in Amazon Prime, and I'm excited to see that. This is so cute. I love these. Perfect for journaling. I think I prefer this. I actually like them both. It's very old learning to read books. I don't know how you call that in the States, but back in Puerto Rico, we would call that cartilla fonética, and it had like not too many compelling stories. It was just about reading. Oh, I love this, like writing with your handwriting, and those kind of awesome lines. Love this. I like both sizes, but again, more flower power. This is kind of cute, and I can write like week something here, and more flower power. Very 70s. Now I'm gonna show to you, and this was just something I grabbed from, I have a bunch of the Reset Girls of this line in a pouch, because I was doing like what do you call that, the project with the lists, 30 lists, and I was gonna do it for like my birthday, and then I never did it, but I kept all the items in one bag. And if you look at the items again, down to the flowers, it's very Reset Girl, and the colors are too. So just a note, I like to notice that kind of thing, because if I'm lacking something in this kit, I'm an over embellisher, so whatever else I can add to this kit, I will add later. And I have a bunch of little items here. I was in the Simple Stories design team back then. Oh man, this was one of my favorite, absolute favorite lines. It was gorgeous and so fresh back then. It's vintage but fresh, you know what I mean? Yeah, everything comes back in style. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my rambling about flower power and all lines and CHA disappointment. Let me know if you were not disappointed, if you saw something that was cool and maybe I missed it. I think Jen Hatfield had the best line that I saw out there. It was good. I liked a few items that I would like to get, like washi, but it's not that hard for me to love washi. So, let me know what was your oh, let me pick my favorite item. That's right. Oh, man, a lot of good ones this month. It's going to be hard. There is nothing in here that it's a throwaway. Everything, absolutely everything, is really good. I have a hard time picking. I love the little hearts. I'm a big fan of numbers. They did well with this one. Even though I would have preferred the peachy one, it's still a good choice. Then you have the... Man, I can't pick one. You know what? This one, I'm not going to pick one. The whole kit is my favorite thing. So I'm so happy. Oh, and by the way, I was talking to Chappy Plants the other day about kits. And I don't know if you know this, but if you go to the Studio Calico website, there is a coupon code. I can't remember which one it is. I'm going to put it in the description below along with an affiliate link for this kit. I buy this kit with my own money, but I am in the share sale affiliate program, so I get like a little commission for sharing this with you. But if you never had this kit before, there is a coupon code that lets you have one kit, like your very first one, for only $5. And I think that is such an amazing deal. You get to try it out firsthand and really see if you can build layout with it, whether you do a single 12 by 12, you know, 9 by 12, 6 by 8, or a double like I do. Even though I do double and I do embellish a lot, I think this kit is a very good base. I always do add things, but I have so many things that I should be adding. So if you're interested in that, this is a great kit. Honestly, they knocked it out of the park for me. So if you want to give it a try, I'm going to have that coupon code linked below. That way you can get your first kit for $5. It's pretty good. Again, however, I have to point out the shipping thing. Usually when they mail my kit, it's only $1 for shipping. And I think for that $5 kit, it's also going to be that. I don't know about Canada, and I don't know about international prices. I know that's quite difficult to navigate, especially for the company. So, hey, but if you want to give it a try, if you have any more questions, I can't wait to use this kit. It's so cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye!